Well, it is a beautiful September day, and the R18 has run fantastically for 35 or 40 minutes, but my cameras are set up in the sun, and they're both frantically giving me heat warnings about being set up in the sun on this fine day, and they're black camera bodies, of course, so the R18 should be almost out of fuel, so I'm going to shut it down and move my filming setup into the shade of the garage and take a break to let my cameras cool down. So I'll just, and as you can tell, I've been standing behind to try and shade them a little bit to keep them a little happier, but just flip the ignition and let it stop. But that was a really nice run for the R18. Again, very impressed after a little bit of work with all those ignition issues and the fantastic service from Engine DIY. It is a lovely little engine.